So welcome back students. So today we'll see problems on parallel plate capacitor. So again you will have problem on your screen. So students, you can pause, note down the problem and you can solve along with me. So first problem if we take. In a parallel plate capacitor, each plate has area 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. So he has given area of a plate A is equal to 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. Area of a plate. And the distance between plates is 2 mm. So he has given small d 2 mm, that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meters. Calculate capacitance of capacitor. So first part we are required to calculate C. So for parallel plate capacitor, C is equal to A epsilon naught divided by D. So he has given A, D, epsilon naught value is 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12. So if I substitute, so you'll have 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12 divided by D. So distance is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. D is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So if you simplify, 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to minus 3 gets cancelled. So 2 and 8 gets cancelled. You will have 4 into 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12. So if you multiply these two, you will have answer 35.416. 10 raised to minus 12 is pico. So picofarad. 35.416 picofarad. So this is capacitance of capacitor. So if you see second part, if capacitor is connected to 50 volt supply, so here V is equal to 50 volt, V is equal to 50 volt. What is the charge on each plate? So you are required to find charge. So V has given, you are required to find Q. Here you have calculated C. So for definition of capacitance, so C is equal to Q by V. So you can say Q is equal to C into V. Q is equal to C into V. So C you have calculated here. So 35.416 into 10 raised to minus 12 picofarad. Voltage is 50 into 50. So if you multiply those two, you will have answer. So if you multiply, you will have 1770.8 pico coulomb or 10 raised to minus 12 coulomb. So clear students, you can pause, note down the solution, then you will have second problem on your screen. So next, second if you take, a parallel plate air capacitor has a capacitance of 8 microfarad. So he has given capacitance of a capacitor with air, that is CA, I will denote it as 8 microfarad. 8 microfarad. So what is capacitance? If the distance between plate is reduced by half and space is filled with substance of dielectric constant 6. So capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor formula is A epsilon naught by D. This is equal to 8, equation 1. So formula for capacitance of a parallel plate air capacitor. Now what he says, distance D is reduced to D by 2. Distance is reduced by half and the space between them is filled by dielectric constant, that is epsilon r is 6. You are required to find capacitance. What is capacitance? So C dash will be equal to now A epsilon naught into epsilon r divided by, instead of d, now distance is d by 2, so I will write it as d by 2. Now distance is reduced by half, so d is d by 2. So this 2 goes to the numerator, so you will have 2 a epsilon naught by d into epsilon r. So a epsilon naught by d he has given 8, epsilon r he has given 6, so substitute, so you will have 2 into 8 into 6. So simplify, you will have the answer. So 8 2s are 16, 16 6 96. So you will have 96 units is microfarad. So capacitance with dielectric constant as 6 is 96 microfarad. Clear, students? Next we will go for the third problem. So third one, two parallel plate air capacitors have their plate area 100 centimeter square and 500 centimeter square. So given is A1 he has given area of first plate, that is 100 centimeter square. Then area of second plate A2 500 centimeter square. Area of two plates he has given. They have same charge and potential. So Q and V are same on both. Q and V are same. So on both capacitors, charge is same, potential is same, means capacitance of both are same. C is equal to Q by V. Q is same, V is same. So capacitance is same, means he has given C1 is equal to C2. He has given C1 is equal to C2. If the distance between plates of first capacitor D1, distance between plates of first capacitor is 0.5 mm, what is the distance between plates of second capacitor? So you are required to find D2. So I will take units as it is, because we are comparing or we have a ratio, so the units gets cancelled. So now condition is he has given C1 is equal to C2, C1 is equal to C2. I will substitute the formula. So C1 will be A1 epsilon naught divided by D1. This will be A2 epsilon naught divided by D2. Because C1 is equal to C2 he has given, A epsilon naught by D formula I have used. So substitute value of A, D, both side epsilon naught gets cancelled. So A1 is 100 divided by D1 is 0.5. Epsilon naught gets cancelled. So A2 is 500. You are required to find D2. So as there is a ratio, units gets cancelled, so I have kept as it is, centimeter square and mm. So even if you want, you can convert it into meters. So if I cross multiply, these two zeros get cancelled. So D2 will be equal to 5 into 0.5. 5 into 0.5. So if you multiply, you will have D2 is equal to 2.5 mm. So distance between plates is 2.5 mm. Clear, students? So again you can pause and solve this problem. In the next session we will solve problems on capacitors combination in series and parallel. Okay, thank you.